Today, I want to show you guys the clipboard tool. Now, last week, I already posted a hint about control copy and control paste. So to control copy, you're going to highlight whatever you want and hit Control C. And then you can come over in this form here and hit Control V, and that will paste it in. But sometimes you don't want the formatting to come with it. So I'm going to back this out. And now it's still copied to my clipboard, but instead of hitting Control V, I'm going to hit Control and Shift and V. And now it's going to paste in without formatting. But now one of the most annoying things is sometimes you want to copy more than one thing at a time. So let's say I want to get my first name, my last name, and this address. Well, if I come here to paste last name and hit Control V, it just pastes the last thing I had. That's what we're going to learn how to do today. We're going to stop using Control V and start using Windows V. Now, if I'm going to back up here, I'm going to show you what happens when I click Windows V. So I'm going to hit the Windows key and V, and you'll see I have a clipboard with all the different things I copied. We're going to learn how to enable that today. So now this is only for Windows. I'm going to come down to my search bar and I'm going to search clipboard. And you'll see clipboard settings pops up here, so I'm going to select it. And this is the key right here. You need to turn this clipboard history on. So go ahead and make sure it's turned on, and then you can just exit out. Now, when you go to paste, instead of hitting Control V, you can click Windows V and select what you want in that box. Now, if you're not working on a Windows computer, let's say you're working on a Chromebook or a Mac, there is an extension that does the same thing. It's called Clipboard History Pro. And I do use this whenever I'm working on my Chromebook. So go ahead and try that out and you'll find that it does the same thing.